for one. 100 or 2, maybe 3, perhaps more, parade all together on spring's meadow floor. They are carrying treasure, yet staying in line to bring home a treat so their queen can dine. A little one wonders, what will the queen say? Another one answers, Hooray! Crumby day! But most remain silent, too happy to talk. They are focused instead on their victory walk. Each step beats a rhythm of musical glee, the sound of the joy of the ants' jubilee. They are marching as if to the beating of drums, and all for one triumph, discovering crumbs. Liana Mahoney.